guys. Okay, so week 10, this is what you need to do. One thing I need for you to notice is that this folder ends on Tuesday, not Wednesday, because Wednesday is the start of Thanksgiving break. So most of these assignments are actually going to have a due date of Monday so that on Tuesday you can take your Unit 2 test. So make sure you heard that and make sure to get everything done on time. So first, the what to do this week sheet, go ahead and print this off so you can mark stuff off as you do it. Then you have a 2.5, so you're going backwards a little bit, but this is a quick homework assignment on properties of equality. Remember 2.5 was the algebraic proofs section. So you have that homework. You only have 2 attempts on that homework, so make sure that you do it well the first time or make sure that you get any questions answered before you take it the second time. Again, that is due on Monday by midnight. Next is a pretty quick, this shouldn't take too long, a project. It's an advertising project. So read the directions in this link, and then you're actually going to complete the assignment on a Google Doc or Google Sheet. It's not called Google Sheets. Oh, Google Slides, sorry. On the Google Doc or Google Slides. It's completely up to you, but then you will actually turn the assignment in here. Do not email this to me. Actually submit it through this, and then I will grade it on the rubric. Make sure you've taken a look at the rubric before turning it in so you know how you're going to get your points. Then there's a proof packet homework assignment. This video right here tells you what you need to do. It is in your supplemental sheets. And then proofs packet answer sheet. Then after that is the test review. So you need to complete that test review by Monday at midnight. Project is due by Monday at midnight. I have Tuesday on there. Actually, I'm going to change that to Monday, so just so you know. And then the last thing is I will open this test up for you to take on Tuesday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Make sure that you finish that test that day. Let me know if you have any questions. I will have a question and answer session on Tuesday unless I am not back at school, but I plan to be back at school on that Tuesday, so I'll have a question and answer session. So if you have questions, make sure to ask those questions and come into that question and answer session prior to starting the test. I think that is all, and I will talk to you guys later.